So we have Donovan in the foreground and Elliot in the background. Working on getting strong so they can sit up on their own and crash into each other and roll into each other. Now what, Elliot? Your brother's gonna be a little zombie baby and get you. Oh, you're okay. Hi. Just roll over. Start again. Being on your tummy means lots of chatting. There you go. You did it. Close up. Oh my gosh, who flipped the crazy button on you?